Is your BMW E90 key fob not working? Symptoms like intermittent functionality or no response often indicate common issues. The most common culprits are a dead battery or lost synchronization with the car's car access system. First, try replacing the battery. The BMW E90 key fob typically uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell, which lasts 2 to 5 years. Pry open the fob using a plastic tool to avoid damage, remove the old battery, and insert a new CR2032. Ensure the battery is inserted with the positive side up. Consider rechargeable options for eco-friendly use. If the fob still doesn't work, you likely need to resync it. This involves cycling the ignition and pressing buttons in a specific sequence to repair the fob with the car access system. The CAS module is the security hub that validates key fobs. Resyncing reestablishes this connection. Refer to your owner's manual or search online for the exact resync procedure for your E90 model year. Successfully addressing battery replacement and resync can resolve up to 70% of key fob issues. If a new battery and resync don't solve the problem, the issue might lie with the car access system, or CAS module itself. The CAS module is the central hub that validates the key fob and authorizes vehicle functions. The CAS module is typically located under the driver's seat or in the trunk area. CAS module failures can be caused by water damage, electrical surges, or software glitches. Diagnosing CAS issues often requires specialized diagnostic tools like BMW's ISTA+ software or OBD2 scanners to read error codes and pinpoint the problem. If the CAS module is faulty, you'll likely need a replacement or reprogramming, which is best left to a professional BMW technician or mechanic familiar with BMW systems. Note that aftermarket CAS modules exist but require professional reprogramming to ensure compatibility. Additionally, check the CAS module fuse for any blown fuses that could prevent the system from functioning properly. If you have it professionally replaced, costs can run from $150 to $300.